What is up and welcome to another video. So yesterday guys, I told you that I'm gonna take profit in majority of my trades, and yesterday I opened a short position on Bitcoin. Today I'm gonna update you with my trades, and of course yesterday I told you to drop comments, the first 5 comments. Altcoins, I'm going to check and review the possible buy zones for this altcoin. So the first 5 here, this is sorted out from newest, guys. So the first 5 is, we have, let me just sort it out, first to newest. All right, so the first 5 here, first one is Dogecoin, guys. I'll just choose one coin for each comment here. Second is, we're going to review VAI from Rashad. The first one is from Comedian Zones, and the third one is from RM Money. I'm going to review as a CRV, and the fourth comment here is Dogecoin, so we'll just choose XRP here because the first one comment Dogecoin already, and the last one, or the 5th comment here, is TAO. So I'm going to review these 5 altcoins and the possible buy zones. All right, so let's jump into the charts. First, let's talk about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin trade, this trade I have opened yesterday, and right now this is in a beautiful amount of profit, 970 USDT. And in my own opinion, if you have watched my analysis yesterday, this can still continue to move down, guys. Let me just open up my trading view. So as what you can see, we have a massive consolidation, or very long consolidation zone here for Bitcoin. If you're going to measure the Fibonacci retracement level, again, I have predicted this correction, guys. If you're following me on Twitter, I have posted last November 10 that we still have 15 more days to take advantage of this alt season momentum. November 25 until November 28 may bring a correction, and indeed yesterday, November 25, we have seen the correction started. That is why yesterday I have opened a short position on Bitcoin, and right now it's in a beautiful profit. So let's see what will be the target, guys. If you missed my previous analysis about Bitcoin, feel free to check it out. I've talked about the possible targets, but I'm going to discuss it one more time. So the first target for this drop is going to be this candle wick right here. Of course, we have a lot of buying pressure. We have bullish order block here. So this is going to be the target short term, guys, from 85,000 or 86,700 up to 88,000. We might see a short term bounce from this level. But if you're going to check the 4-hour time frame, we have this massive 200 exponential moving average that will act as a support in confluence with our bullish order block at around this level right here. So what you can see, we have this 2 candle wicks here. Every time the price dropped to this level, there is a strong buying pressure on this level. So keep an eye on this 85,000 up to 86,800, guys. This is a bullish order block zone in confluence with our 200 exponential moving average. So short term, we might get a bounce once the price drop back to this level. So I will be buying altcoins. I'm going to look for a possible short-term bounce in majority of the altcoins once Bitcoin reaches this level, 85,300 up to 86,600. So let me just mark this zone here. Let me find price label, price note. So if you want to take screenshot of this chart, you're free to do so right now. So this is going to be the bullish order block zone in confluence with the 200 exponential moving average. So that is going to be an additional 9% drop from the current level if that is going to happen. Again, I'm expecting a very low volume this Thanksgiving holidays, guys, because the majority of the traders are going to take profit. Majority of the retails are not going to trade. They're going to take profit, gonna take a break from trading and enjoy the Thanksgiving holidays in the US. So probably we'll see very low volume, probably manipulation in some of the altcoins. So be careful in trading altcoins this Thanksgiving holidays. And for Bitcoin, once Bitcoin dropped to this level, I'm gonna look at spot buy zones in some of the altcoins. So let's start with Dogecoin, guys. One of the chart requests here. If you are in our Discord community, this was the previous buy zone here, even before Elon talked about Dogecoin and the X community. I have already shared this buy zone, guys, in our Discord community. So if you want to stay ahead of the game, head on to Patreon. So here's our Discord, guys. In our Discord community, we have the long-term portfolio channel where I have shared majority of my long-term calls here. If you're huddling for long-term, I've shared my buy zones here. So 2022, I've shared the buy zone for Bitcoin at $16,000, Ethereum below $1,000, BNB below 200, Polkadot below 4.5, AVAX below 8, Solana below 11, ADA below 0.35. And if you have missed out on those entries, I am updating this long-term portfolio, guys, to the newbies in the market. And of course, if you are new to crypto, this was the new buy zone for Dogecoin, which I have shared October 3, guys. Look at this. I've also shared AVAX when AVAX was hovering at around 25, Dogecoin spot buy zone at around 0.1. Also Polkadot when Polkadot was hovering at around 4. I think Polkadot is at 8 or have hit the $10 target. So congratulations to those who were in our Discord, guys. Look at this buy zone for Ethereum or Ethereum Classic when it was 18 or $15. Ethereum as well, buy zone here when it was trading at around 2,300. So beautiful, beautiful trades. Also for Link when Link was at $10. These are just the latest updates, guys. So what you can see, we have also Litecoin here at 58 up to $63 was the buy zone. Right now, we'll talk about going back to the Dogecoin chart. Dogecoin had pumped by almost 400%. That's almost 4x from our initial buy zone here. If you're going to zoom out and check out the previous price action, we might see, you can see that Dogecoin, after a pump, it actually retraces pretty hard. So I'm gonna be very careful in buying at this current level here. If you were going to measure the Fibonacci retracement level from this swing low at around 0.089 up to the swing high up at around 0.48, we will get this buy zone right here. Yellow lines, these are the Fibonacci retracement level. So the price could actually retrace back up to the 61.8. But again, if you are trading spot, especially in this bull run, we don't know the exact retracement level, guys. So the best strategy, in my opinion, if you are not in our Discord, because I'm giving live updates, daily updates in our Discord, guys. So if you are in our Discord, there's going to be the buy zones that I will be looking at. So if I'm going to DCA, in my opinion, there's going to be the levels 38.2, 50%, and the 61.8. So 3 levels and buy zones. If you want to be safe, you can wait when the price revisit the 200 exponential moving average. But again, we are in the bull run. If you are going to wait for the price to drop to the 200 exponential moving average, you might miss out in some of the price movement here at around the higher level at around 38.8. We might get a bounce at around this level or maybe 50%. So the best strategy in my opinion is just to DCA. When the price dropped 38.2, gonna buy some Dogecoin. When the price dropped to 50%, you can add more in the position to adjust your entry price. And if it goes down to 61.8, then you can DCA more. That will move your average price lower. Again, MicroStrategy or Michael Saylor is one example of how DCA actually works. He's buying Bitcoin at the current level, which is around 93,000, guys, and he's buying Bitcoin at 98. So next one is we have VAI. So let's check out VAI. So for VAI, it is looking bullish, guys, and it is trying to, we have actually a very long consolidation zone here for VAI. This is a chart request from Rashad. So let's check how many days is this consolidation period. So date from, so this is around 150 days of consolidation. And right now the price is hovering and trying to reclaim the 200 exponential moving average as a support. So probably, in my opinion, this could be a good buying opportunity right now for VAI. Again, this is not a financial advice. This is purely TA, guys. So this is going to be my buy zone here for VAI. And the possible targets, of course, is going to be the resistances. We have actually this resistance, first level resistance. So if you're trading short term, keep an eye on this first level of resistance. So resistance, and second one will be on this level. Actually haven't checked the fundamentals of VAI. This is just purely TA point of view. So if VAI is going to reclaim this 200 exponential moving average as a support, we might see the price pump and retest this 0.13 short term, that is 24%, and eventually this second resistance is around 0.19. But if you're going to zoom out and check out the Fibonacci retracement levels, these are going to be the targets, guys. This yellow lines right here. So 38.2, 50%, and 61.8. Again, you need to check the fundamentals if you are trading these altcoins. I'm not familiar with VAI. I haven't checked the team behind it. I haven't checked the project. This is purely TA, guys, and based on the previous price action. So as what you can see here, we have also a very long consolidation to the downside, and eventually it pumped by, how many percent is this? Around 450%. So let's see, the Fibonacci 61.8 is around 200%. So I think that is pretty achievable short term. Next one is CRV. So let's check out CRV. So I think CRV had already pumped, and the oscillator right now is in the overbought area. So we might see a small correction, and probably if we were going to check the Fibonacci retracement level, let me just refresh this one. This is going to be the levels that I'm going to start to DCA and probably buy some spot for CRV. So 38.2 at around 0.4, 50% at around 0.39, and 61.8. This is in confluence with the 200 exponential moving average. That is around 0.354. Again, the oscillator is still in the overbought area. We might see some correction, and the price could revisit this Fibonacci levels. For XRP, this has already took off, guys. So if you have missed my previous spot buy zone here, I think right now it is a little bit late to get into this trade. Probably I'm going to wait for a correction, or I'm going to look for another altcoin, because right now the previous all-time high for XRP is around $2. And right now we are at 1.3. So let's check the Fibonacci retracement levels here. I've actually shared this buy zone on my Twitter account. So Feel free to follow me on X or Twitter if you want to stay up to date with my latest trades and analysis, guys. So this spot buy zone, I have shared this in our Discord, guys. So let me just show you. In our Discord, we have actually a beautiful support trend line here. We have this buy zone at around 0.53 up to 0.5. Also, I have shared this one in our crypto signal here, 0.49 up to 0.52 buy zone. Short-term target is around 0.7, but long-term target, I've mentioned it here in the XRP channel at around $1. So right now, XRP is at 1.3. I also made a video before buying XRP, $1,500 worth of XRP at around 0.3, guys. So at around this level right here. If you have watched that video, I have actually posted it on my YouTube and TikTok channel. So Fibonacci retracement level from swing low up to swing high, we might see XRP retrace back to 0.8, which is the Fibonacci golden ratio, 0.5 at $1, and Fibonacci retracement level 38.2, which is around 1.16. So DCA and buy zones for XRP is going to be this yellow lines right here. For TAO, if you're going to look at the oscillator, we have actually a bearish divergence here, and the price is still hovering on the support trend line. And if we're going to measure the Fibonacci retracement levels from the swing high, swing low up to the swing high level, we can see that the price is still on that 38.2, guys. I'm not familiar with TAO, but check out the fundamentals and check out the project development about TAO. This is just purely TA, and of course all charts and TA are not to be considered as a financial advice. So right now, in my opinion, we have actually a beautiful support trend line here. Could probably start buying some TAO at around this level, and if it dropped back to the 200 exponential moving average, we have also a confluence here of the Fibonacci 61.8 at around 397. And if we are going to open coin market cap, I don't know if this is the correct chart, but let's try to zoom out. TAO is actually right now on top here, so probably gonna wait for around 350, the previous pivot point and the previous resistance here. So if the price would drop back to 350, I think that is a bargain, and probably gonna grab some TAO if that is going to happen. Right now, looking at this chart, this is almost on the previous top here. So I'm gonna be patient and wait for a good retracement for this altcoins. So that's it for today, guys. If you have any chart requests, again, drop them in the comment section. If you have any questions, first 5 or first 3, let's do first 3 so we can focus more on the charts. And of course, drop them in the comment section down below. First 3 comments, I'm gonna answer those questions or chart requests on my next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.